In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a OneDrive folder still showing up in File Explorer, 5 minutes. If you've uninstalled or stopped using OneDrive, but its folder stubbornly remains in File Explorer, this walkthrough will cleanly remove it. We'll start by disconnecting OneDrive from your PC, then refresh File Explorer, and finally uninstall the OneDrive app so the folder no longer reappears. Begin at the system tray on your taskbar. Look for the OneDrive cloud icon. If you don't see it right away, click the arrow to show hidden icons. Click the cloud to open the OneDrive panel. In the top corner of that panel, click the Settings gear icon, and then select Settings from the menu. This opens the OneDrive settings window. Next, switch to the Account tab. This is where OneDrive manages which account is linked to your device. Click Unlink this PC. When prompted, confirm by choosing Unlink Account. This stops syncing and detaches your computer from that OneDrive account. Your files that are already on your PC stay where they are, and your online OneDrive files remain safe in the cloud. What changes is the Windows integration that makes the OneDrive folder show in File Explorer. To make the change visible right away, restart File Explorer or your computer. A quick way to refresh without a full reboot is to open Task Manager, select Windows Explorer, and click Restart. After this, check File Explorer's left sidebar. For many people, the OneDrive entry disappears at this stage. If the entry still lingers, or you want to fully remove the app, open Windows Settings, go to Apps, then Installed Apps. Scroll or search for Microsoft OneDrive, click the three dots next to it, and select Uninstall, then follow the prompts. You may need administrator permission for this. Uninstalling removes the OneDrive application and its shell integration, which prevents the folder from showing up in File Explorer going forward. Your files in the cloud are unaffected, and any files already on your computer remain in their folder unless you choose to manage them separately. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. If you only wanted to hide OneDrive and stop syncing, unlinking was usually enough. Uninstalling is for fully removing the app. If you ever need OneDrive again, you can reinstall it from Microsoft's website and sign in when ready. And if you use a work or school device, your organization's policies might re-enable OneDrive. Check with your admin if it returns. That's it. Follow these steps and that persistent OneDrive folder should be gone from File Explorer.